During this World Cup and Christmas season, there are lots of opportunities and you can take advantage of this and make lots of money. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple steps that can help you earn money in the World Cup and Christmas season. You can even extend it to the new year because this is online and it's very easy. Watch this video to the end so that you discover all these simple ways and make money online. Let's go. In 4 simple steps, you can get paid. 1. Sign up. 2. Complete your profile. 3. Get work done. And 4. You get paid. Let's move straight into business of the day. Voices.com is an award-winning business that has been connecting voice talent with companies and brands since 2004. They have over 1 million members worldwide, which includes clients posting jobs and people seeking voice-over work, translation, audio production, and many other jobs. On average, Voices.com has 5,000 to 6,000 voice-over jobs posted on their site each and every month. If you decide to sign up, you'll find different jobs to audition for. They often have clients in need of voice talent for audiobooks, e-learning videos, TV sports, video games, mobile apps, film projects, and many other works. The most popular type of voice-over work is internet videos. These can include social media videos, marketing videos, and explainer videos. These are 60-second videos that introduce a new product or service or explain how to accomplish a simple task. The work category of internet videos grew by 199% in 2020 alone. So the first thing to do is to sign up. When you visit voices.com, you need an account to make money. It is very simple. It takes seconds to do this. So just click on sign up. You can use your company email address or you continue with Google. I want to continue with Google, so I need a Google account to do this. So I click on continue with Google. Select the email address that I want to use and click on it. It asks you this: do you want to hire for a project or work as a freelancer? I want to make money, so I want to work as a freelancer. So I select that one. Click on this checkbox. I agree to the terms of service and sign up. This is very simple. In a matter of seconds, you have your account on voices.com. You need to fill in these details. These are some payment details or some billing details. So take your time and fill this. You provide your address. After filling the form, you click on submit. So this is the welcome page. Once you sign up to voices.com, you click on get started. It will walk you through the platform to help you create a profile. What you need here is a profile that can help people identify you whenever there's a project in your area of interest. Select your skill area, what you want to provide. Is it a voiceover, an audio production? Is it music or translation? These are the categories that you can use in making money. I want to do voiceover, and I'll select either ebooks, audiobooks, or any of these, the one that you want to do. If it's an online ad, you can select that. After that, you click on save and next. So you have 2 options here, either to finish up your profile or check out on some jobs. I want to click on view jobs and show you something quickly here. So one thing to note on voices.com is that there is a premium version and a free version. The difference here is that on the premium, you need to choose a premium package to be able to select or apply to public jobs. Some jobs are public. They state the jobs there and you can click on it and apply. But if you choose the guest, which is free, then people can rather send you private invitation to job. Okay, any of them works, but people want accelerated income. Okay, so they choose the premium version, but I want to go as a guest. So what I need to do is that I create a profile and I create samples that are appealing to people, and so they will send me private jobs to do. So what I do here is hover the mouse on my profile here and I go to my home. It is very simple. Just follow these instructions and you can get jobs and get money. So when you come here, you can click on add a demo. There are so many things that can help you. So voices.com is a full-blown platform that helps people to make money. What you can also do is to check on the Voices blog and webinars that will guide you in creating all the things that you need to make money. There are so many resources that are done for you, so you can go to the Voices library and get those resources. There are so many things that are done for you that you can use to make money. Okay, if you don't have the skill, you can follow through their tutorials and you get jobs. So when you click on jobs, you see lots of jobs. And they pay you through PayPal. Okay, they pay you through PayPal, and it's a very simple payment method. So if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade, but I don't want to upgrade, but I want people to private message me so that I can do the jobs and get money. So even right from here, you can get some templates. If someone messages me, what is my response going to be? So you can create those templates, and all these things will be saved so that you don't have to do things all by yourself each and every time. There are templates that you can play around with, and if you take your time to go through all of these, it will help you get so much more to do. So this is my account, and anytime I get any request, it will come here in my jobs. Hiring, if I've answered, if I've responded to it, it will come here. If it has been awarded to me, it will come here. If I've finished, it will come to done. So this is how you can make money on voices.com. There are so many areas you can make money. If you look at projects, there are so many areas under voices.com that you can take advantage of. Audiobooks, you can have jingles, you can make money from short adverts and make lots of money. So explore the resource library and you can get started. There are so many things that you can do. Ebooks, guide tools that will help you create that unique voice that you can use to make money. There are scripts, okay? There are samples, there are scripts that you can look on and even practice. You can use them to create your demos so that people will go through your demo and send you private invite and you get paid. As I told you, you also get paid through PayPal. This is a very powerful platform that you can make money. Sign up today, look out for those jobs, and you can start making money. Let me show you some of the jobs that people are doing and how much you can even make on voices.com. People are making 1,250 to 1,499. Okay, this is just an online ad, and mostly the online ads are maximum. The maximum is 750 words and 5 minutes audio or video, and you can make lots of money. Look at this: $500 to $749, $350, $100 to $249, narrating just English, okay, audiobook. And you can take part of all these and make lots of money. Make sure you complete your profile and get those invites, those private invites. But if you want to take part of these public jobs, you need to upgrade to the premium. Okay, take advantage of voices.com, make money, and you'll be happy. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to share.